Surya Namaskara is a popular yoga practice. It's a set of asanas done together. It can either be a warm-up or a complete practice in itself. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. In part 1 of the video, Guided 108 Surya Namaskara, we're going to be seeing the benefits of practicing Surya Namaskaras, the correct way of doing it, how to progress to 108, and a little bit of what we're going to see in part 2 of this video. Coming to the benefits of Surya Namaskara practice, this practice is versatile. Depending on how we do it, it helps to improve flexibility of the body, preparing us for our asana practice, improves self-awareness, agility and strength in both body and mind. It builds cardiac as well as muscular endurance, especially when you do many rounds together. It helps to increase stamina. As a cool down, it relieves fatigue, lethargy, stiffness, tension in the muscles and pain. When you combine this practice with balanced, nourishing food, it can also help us lose excess weight. Most importantly, it's a form of sun worship wherein we offer salutations to Sun God who sustains life on earth. This increases positive energy in our bodies. When we talk about how to do Surya Namaskaras, it's important that we do it correctly, keeping in mind how we align different parts of our body so that we have a safe practice and we can focus on getting the benefits. I have a video, a correct way to do Surya Namaskaras. I'll leave a link to it, wherein I talk about different alignment cues and do's and don'ts when we do our practice. If for any reason you can't sit on the floor or you can't stand and do your practice, I also have a video wherein we do Surya Namaskaras on a chair. I'll leave a link for that too in the description below. Before we talk about how to progress to do 108, we'll talk about when to do this practice. It's important that you do the practice when you have the time. Just remember to see that there's a meal gap of about 3 to 4 hours before you begin your practice. So now how we progress to 108 rounds. Doing a few rounds 2 days a week, especially if you're a beginner, along with other asana and pranayama practice, spread over a period of 1 or 2 months can help you build cardiac as well as muscular endurance, which is needed for a safe and injury-free practice. This progression chart can act as a guide to get you there in 2 months. So coming to what we will be doing in part 2 of this video. In this video, we will be doing warm-ups before the actual practice, then a follow-along video guiding you through the 108 rounds, followed by stretching to cool down and some deep relaxation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please write to me in the comments below. Don't forget to join me for part 2 of this video next week.